Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JanscrazyLife. So this book is from HappilyEllaAfter. Let me show her card. I will have her channel linked below in the description box. And she's got it wrapped up in some tissue paper. I'm going to move out of the way, as well as some bubble wrap. Grab my scissors to cut open the bubble wrap. Alright, and then so it's a huge book with beautiful blue trim. I think I have it upside down, maybe not. There's a cute little charm on this side with a rocking horse. So cute. And she has an elastic closure. Love the book corners. How pretty is this? Look at the banner at the top. It says Merry Christmas. Love the blue paper. 'Tis a season to be jolly. And I think that is a belly band. Love that paper. Here is a pocket with a journaling card. And it says ho ho ho. Flips up with a journaling space. So cute. Oh, this paper is gorgeous. And there is a pocket here. Love the trim that she put on the pocket. So cute. There is a double side pocket here with a journaling card, as well as here. Love that trim. There is a Santa. Cute. So she glued, it was like a card, but she glued the hat. And then the top opens up. How cute is this? With a Santa belt. And this is so cute. And then it's a bag. Oh, it's a bag. I think is there something in it? It feels like there is, but I don't. Let me look this way. No, there's nothing in it. It's just the way the bag is folded. So, cute idea. And then it closes. And I just want to make sure, y'all know I missed stuff at the top. So there is one up here. And she's got this beautiful thick place to journal or put a picture that goes in here at the top. And we were here. And this is so cute. Look at this. I wonder if... So it says all common bright, and there's a 3 here. Oh, it opens. Oh, that's cute. So it opens up, and then there's a tuck spot here and a pocket back here. There is, oh, these mittens are adorable. Love the feel of the velvet. And there is a place to journal. Wow. I love how thick that is. And then here is my favorite memories. So cute, but it looks like, oh, it does open up. So it flips up, so you can put a picture and then write something. Then up here is another one of those amazing place tags that she made. So cute. And then here is, oh, it's so cute. And it's like a little pocket here, and then there's this beautiful paper clip, but it opens up like, okay, hold on, let me move it over. So it opens all the way up. So it's like the pen pal envelope that I showed y'all guys. How cute. And then this closes back, and she made this adorable paper clip to hold it. There is a belly band here, and then there's one of these cute little tags. I love that you can title it with that. And And so cute. Alright, so then there is a bookmark, and it has like a little bell and these little Christmas. I have these and I keep them with my charms. I got them at Hobby Lobby. They're so cute. They're like little bitty cookie cutters. So adorable. And then there's a Christmas tree, and it has a tuck spot behind it. So cute with the snow. And then there's this page. Did we miss anything at the top? Okay, we didn't. There's a pocket with another beautiful no peeking place to journal on a tag. So there is a side pocket with another journaling spot. So cute. So there's this page, and it is the little bitty mini file folders, but she has them upside down. It's a Wonderful Life. This is so cute. Look at the Santa hat. Wow. And then there's this page over here, and she has it with a paper clip, so I'm assuming it opens. And there's a little pocket. And then it opens like that, and there's another little pocket. So cute. Great. Hold that. And then there is another beautiful spot to journal. Love that. And here, oh, joy around the world. Look how cute this journaling card is. The paper is so pretty. Side pocket and a belly band. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, I love this. That's so cute. So then there's this page. Oh, look at these gingerbread and the Santa hats. Love the ripped paper. This is Christmas cookies. That's cute. What a cute idea. I love this border on there. And then there is a double pocket. And look how pretty the paper is, but I love that. So cute. And then it says Happy Holidays, and when you open it you can journal, and there's a place here. This paper is gorgeous. I want to make sure. Okay, so over here it's magnetic, and it flips like this, and then it says Merry Christmas to all. This is so cute. And then it has like a double flip, and then you can always use it as tucks. Love that. And then the 25th. And then there is a snowman and a pocket right here where it's ripped. That's cute. And then there is another one of these beautiful tags here. And then look at this page. You know I love the Christmas lights. So there is a side tuck, and then there is a belly band, and I wonder if it's just layered or it's a double. Nope. Alright. And then look how pretty this page is. You know, I love the rip look. And oh, look at the ugly sweater. And there is a pocket here. And then this is a side pocket. They are so cute with another place to journal. And then when we come to the back, love this blue paper though. It's like a cobalt blue or like a royal blue. It's so pretty. There's a little pocket with a journaling card that says, Dear Santa. And then she's got her information on the back. And then here is some little journaling cards that she put in here. So cute. And it says Wonderful Winter. This is so cute. I love this. Huge book. Super nice. Like the closure. So I will have her information linked below. Don't forget to go check her out, guys. And subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Bye, guys.
What you like to do?